So this early in the course, there's a lot that's not showing up in Canvas yet, but I wanted to take a few minutes to highlight a few things just in case you're new to Canvas or in case you've been in a Canvas course before, but it looked different than mine. So here's our home page, and this will change throughout the semester or throughout the course. But basically it tells you kind of where you need to go and be, contact information for me, and then there's a link to our course webpage, which is a really cool resource that I'm going to talk more about later. All right, now to do things in Canvas, you've got a lot of different options, but the first thing I want to show you is if you ever get lost, you've got a help menu. And the help menu gives you a student help desk that is really cool, also a place where you can send me questions, and a really cool set of guides for you to look up and learn about and explore things on Canvas. So there really is a lot of support for you. So if you're feeling confused while you're in Canvas, the most important thing is to reach out to me right away. If I can't figure it out, we'll get you into one of these other resources where you can get help and support. So let's remember that. That's always out there. The easiest way, the place I'd really like you to start all the time is right here. Go to assignments and you can click on a deadline and it'll show you the work that's due on that day. Now, the links aren't live here because I created this video before I finished creating the links to these assignments. But basically, you go here, you click on a link, and you do all the work listed there. And it walks step by step through lectures, discussions, everything you need to do, everything you need to complete to get full credit for that deadline is listed there. So assignments are really the way to go. An alternative way to go is you can click on the syllabus button. There's a link to our syllabus, and then each course deadline shows up there as well. Later in the course, the chat function could prove useful to you. I love that when I'm masquerading. This basically, I'm doing a student view, so it's telling me you can only use chat, Jim, when you're in the instructor mode. But basically, the chat is an opportunity where you can talk to anyone else who's in the class at the same time as you. And so there'll be a lot of times where you'll log in, and I'll just happen to be in there grading or adding stuff to the course, and you can reach out to me or classmates. Google Drive is a cool tool that you'll be able to use to manage your work with Google right here in Canvas. Now, I want to discourage you from using these last three pages, links to pages, files, and discussions, because what happens is when you go in there, you're just going to see random access to the discussions. It's going to confuse you. It doesn't align with the work in an order that makes sense. So instead, again, you want to always work through assignments. You can also work through the syllabus. And of course, the calendar function works as well. So that's just a brief look at some of the things that we want to be able to do inside Canvas. But remember, the most important thing of all is that help is readily available. Use it. Use me, use your classmates as resources. Do not waste a lot of time with Canvas problems. Get help quickly so you can move on to the core work of the course. Thanks. See you in Canvas.